So maybe you know many of the things in CGMP, you know many of the things in that. Let's see today from the different perspective. Yeah, clear everyone? Mind blown? Was it mind blown? Yeah. Okay. So what is the one learning that you want to what is the one learning in today's session that you want to learn? Let's start from Ganesh again. What is the one thing that you want to learn? What is your learning objective in today's session? CGMP, HVAC, facility design. Let's talk anything. Anything that you tell. One learning objective.
Regarding facility designing and
Okay, facility design. Okay. Okay. Rupesh.
recent FDA observations
Okay.
in various companies. Recent.
Recent FDA observations. Okay. Then Santanu.
In these sections, I'm more excited to learn a little bit more about the HVAC and facility design, though I am very much familiar with the GMP things and all. But yes, HVAC and facility design will be more learning for me.
Okay. No problem. So HVAC facility design. Rupesh.
That man material movement that is in facility section.
Yeah. Okay. Chirag.
Mainly facility design.
Facility design. Okay. Pushpak.
Sir,
Yeah.
means improvement in QMS related activities and involvement of recent means CSV and AI and these all things, traceability, data accountability, and
Okay. So QMS, involvement of AI in the documentation, and yeah. Okay. Rahul.
Sir, I would like to learn about in 483 how do we handle certain 483s, recent new ones, and like in HVAC I want to learn something like how do you qualify something like that.
Okay. And last one, Janardhan.
21 CFR compliance.
21 CFR compliance.
Compliance.
Okay.
As per GMP.
For the GMP. Okay.
Hmm.
Very good. Okay. So facility design, HVAC facility design, man material movement facility design, HVAC qualification. See, all of those points is a part of the part 2 that will come in the part 2. So that will come next week, where we will talk about how to do the facility design, what is the HVAC criteria for that, how to do the man material, and there is a specific there is a specific exercise that I'll give you where we will work together. It is like a hands-on. We'll work together. I will show you the entire diagram, and we will put up man movement, material movement, scrap movement. We'll do it together. So that is a part of the HVAC facility design and man material movement. So that is a part of the part 2, which we will take it next week. Okay, facility design ho gaya. FDA 483 also will be taking next week. HVAC qualification QMS. Yeah, 21 CFR. Now, how many of you know how many different 21 CFR part are available from US FDA? What are the different parts? How many different parts? Anyone? Because
Part 11.
Part 11.
Yeah, everyone talks about only part 11.
Part 11 and part 10 GMP. Part 10, part.
Okay. So I want to tell you guys, there are so many 21 CFR part. Specifically, we will talk about, okay, let me just put it. So 21 CFR part 210 and part 211. These two parts are the most fundamental parts of CGMP. If they come for the audit, they will only do the audit with regards to 21 CFR part 210 and 211. This is the manufacturing of the pharmaceutical products. Then there is we all know 21 CFR part 11. This has nothing to do with the CGMP. This is only for the electronic data
E-signatures.
and whatever e-signature, audit trails and all of those things. Now, there is a 21 CFR part 680. Can anyone tell what is the 21 CFR part 680? Anyone has heard about this?
Medical devices. And
Yeah, absolutely. This is for the medical devices. Apart from that, there are so many 21 CFR parts, but which is not part of our subject. So I'm not touching upon that, but you may go and do the analysis, do the research. What are the other different parts? Like there is a 21 CFR 488 is there. There are so many other parts which are actually required for the other, let's say, products, maybe biopharma products, potent drugs and all of those things. We will be right now focusing on 210 and 211. Now, can anyone tell what are the different sub parts of 21 CFR part 210 and 211? I want to make it more interactive because the slides are simple, so I don't want to bore you with the simple knowledge. This is something which I know that you might be aware or you might not be aware. So I'm just trying to understand from all of you. What are the different, don't Google it, don't Google, don't chat GPT. Just tell me what are the different sub parts of 21 CFR part 210 and 211 and what does each of the part mean? If you are working on a US FDA plan, on the first day itself, they will give you the booklet. Because I used to give booklet to my all people who are joining in my department. A very small booklet you can also print out. The complete 21 CFR part 11 can come in a very small booklet. Everything will be written and yeah, I mean, you can understand that part form. Okay, so we will go in detail. I will show you what are the different parts, but this is what we will learn today. We will talk about 21 CFR part 210 and 211. And I think last time, Janardhan, you asked me about why so many rules and regulations only in CGMP or only in pharma industry, right? So that answer I have already given, but it will come from here only. Yeah. So let's start today. Okay. So learning objective is to understand where the regulations have come from, to understand the fundamentals and the key part of the CGMP. Yeah.